Ouch, just stepped on a sea urchin. Here's how to survive it. Ever stepped on a sea urchin? The pain is real, but don't panic. We've got the survival guide you need. A sea urchin sting can cause sharp pain, swelling, and even infection. Many people don't know the right way to handle it, which can lead to complications. Solution? Learn the do's and don'ts to treat a sea urchin sting effectively. Step 1. Stay calm. Panicking will only make things worse. Take a deep breath and assess the damage. Grab a pair of tweezers and gently pull out any visible spines. Be careful, not all will come out at once. Do not try to break or crush the spines under your skin. This can cause them to shatter and make things worse. Soak the affected area in hot water for 30-90 minutes. This helps ease the pain and neutralize the toxins. Clean the wound with antiseptic and keep it covered. Monitor for any signs of infection like redness, swelling, or fever. Do not ignore signs of infection. Seek medical help if the pain persists or if symptoms worsen. Take some pain relief if needed and give it time to heal. Remember, no walking barefoot on rocky shores again. Got more survival hacks you want to learn? Smash that like button, share your sea urchin stories in the comments, and don't forget to follow us for more life-saving tips. Survive a sea urchin sting like a pro. For more tips, comment your experience and follow us for ultimate survival hacks.